Okay, so quick recap. Dollar, we have traded down and we are looking for a reaction of these high time frame levels. On Aussie, we did catch a long in the morning um, for a run above this high. Um, New Zealand, I think we did catch a long from here, and I did mention to take your profit in there and then wait and see because we are still overall bearish on the 4 hour. On Euro, we did catch a long to take out this high, and the potential upside objective is there, the 1.2 level. Pound, we did catch another long in here for a run above this equal high, and I think that was the target. So if you want, then you keep some on for a continuation to the upside. Euro pound, at the moment you are waiting for a close above this level before we do anything. Aussie New Zealand, we are still long. Let's see what price will do. Euro yen, we did catch a long here from the morning, and we are looking for a continuation to the upside. So Euro long has been from down here. It was initially from here for a continuation to the upside. All right, and then I just pointed out for them to wait for a break and then buy. So we are now long. Similarly, on this one, we are long, and we are looking for price to go up back there. Aussie yen, we are doing nothing on this. New Zealand yen, I was waiting for. We did get the target, so we're waiting to see if price will break the swing high. Then we can go in for a long. This one we are doing nothing. That one we are doing nothing. Same thing, we are doing nothing on this. We are waiting still on that. On this one, we are waiting for a close above this high here. And if we do close, then we will be looking for a long. So once we do close, we wait for a retracement and then we look for a long. This one, we are doing nothing. Aussie catch, we did catch a long in the morning to go up here. And then once we get up there, we will look for some form of a rejection for a short for a continuation to the downside. New Zealand CAD, same thing. We've just waiting for the close above this, wait for retracement, and then we look for a long to target these two levels. CAD, we are waiting for a close above. We are waiting for a close above this high before we look for long, and we've not got that yet. And then CAD yen, I think we are almost done with our 50% target. Okay, so that's all for now, and I'll see you tomorrow.